Kanitha-inĩ wa Catholic wa Holy Family Basilica kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi etĩkia marokire gwĩkinyana namba nene nĩguo gũkũngũĩra igongona rĩa mitha ya kũririkana kũriũka kwa Yesu thutha wa magerio marĩa agereire. Agĩtongoria igongona rĩrĩ rĩa mitha mũthikabu mũnene wa kanitha wa Catholic Diocese ya Nairobi Philip Anyolo orĩtie mũingĩ kũhĩmbĩria mathomo marĩa Yesu atambagia ta kwendana na gũteithania.
Easter is a feast in our Christian traditions which signifies God's love for humanity, that he loved us so much so that he died for our poor relationships amongst ourselves, for our weaknesses and for our sins. Now that we are going through many challenges, political turbulences, social turbulences, economical turbulences, this aspect of love should come again, should emerge in a special way.
Kanitha-inĩ wa All Saints Cathedral mũthikabu Jackson Ole Sapit nĩ ũtongoretie igongona rĩa mahoya kũrĩa aririkanirie etĩkia atĩ Yesu akuire nĩ ũndũ wa mahĩtia mao na koguo matiagĩrĩire gwĩtĩkĩra kuohwo nĩ mĩnyororo ya mehia.
Our lives are normally chained by many things, by sin, by wayward ways, but we also chained by hatred, that we hate each other. We are chained by enslaving ourselves and putting ourselves into that what we can call preservation, by trying to think how we can protect ourselves other than releasing ourselves to the protection of Jesus.
Na kumana na njokanĩro iria ikoretwo ikĩyumĩria gatagatĩ ka ngwatanĩro ngũrani cia kĩũteti, rĩu atongoria a kanitha morĩtie atongoria a bũrũri mahĩmbĩrie ũtongoria ta wa Yesu ũtarĩ na wĩyendo na matungatĩre a Kenya na kwarĩrĩria njĩra cia kũguna a Kenya othe editi cia kwĩguna o ene.
Talking is not about seeking personal benefits. We truly hope they will address the always uplift Kenyans, and especially those still struggling with famine, with the economic downturn. They should listen and solve the political hurdles that keep ailing us.
Let our leaders be an example of a pelican, a bird which sacrifices its own life, its own blood, so that the children may eat. People who are starving, people who are suffering economically, we want to ask our leadership to take this example from Christ, who loves us more and more, that he gives everything that he had for the people to live. May be an example for us also in Kenya.
What we don't know yet from their talks is whether that dialogue is going to happen in a genuine place, and what we are still calling them, our leaders, we as church leaders, is that let us make that dialogue as open, as candid as it can be, and allow people to sit on the table, not with the chest thumping, but asking ourselves what is right for Kenyans.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu atongoria nĩ morĩtio kwĩrutanĩria mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũhũrana ciĩko cia ungumania ũrĩa ũrathararia mĩbango ya ũkũria wa bũrũri. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.